Hey, this is Niranjan again and welcome to video number 3 in this series of training videos. In video 1, you learned how to download it from the membership area. In video 2, you learned how to install the theme onto your server. And in video number 3, you learn how to go about editing it for your customers and delivering it to them. All right. So once you've installed it, this is how your screen will look. All right. This is the general section. This is the home section and this is the typography section. In case you're wondering what these are all about, please don't worry, because I'm going to take you through each and every section and make those changes right here and show you and demonstrate exactly what's the change that's happening in the front end of the theme. All right. So let's start with the layout. You've got full width, theme customization options, theme color. Now the theme color by default is something that comes when you download it. All right. So I have actually gone here and installed this theme as we did in video number 2, and this is the electrical services theme that you can see. So you'll get a feel of these subtle animations, great looking animations, and high quality theme that is available to you. Correct. So what we are going to do here is this. We are going to edit a few of this stuff, right? As you can see, it's site-wide orange theme is there, right? The color is orange here. You've got orange lines. You've got orange lines here, orange icons and stuff like that. Okay, so that's the macro level theme color that we have. If you want to change that, let's say in this particular case, let me say I go for something drastic, like say green or something like that. Okay, and I save it. So what will happen is this green color will be reflected in the overall scheme of things. All right, if you refresh it, you will see green all through. Right, do you see the changes? So this is how it looks. Okay, so basically the entire color scheme can be changed with this one option. All right, now what I'm going to do is restore it so that it comes back to the original shape. All right, once you bring it to original shape, original form of it, the colors will come back. Okay, now moving back to the home section. All right, I'm sorry about this. Okay, so this is where the majority of the things happen. Now banner, when I talk of banner, you are basically talking of this section, right? This is the banner section. When I'm talking of services, this is the services section. Okay, when I'm talking of achievements, this is the achievement section, right? When I'm talking of call to action, you have this call to action here. Okay, so as you can see, most of the sections are organized in a way that is congruent with the front end. All right, now let's imagine, let's say you have a requirement wherein you don't want this call to action to be there. Okay, so what you want to do is basically, or rather, let's say you don't want these achievement sections in here. Okay, so you just want the services section, and then you want to move to this particular thing. So this is not required as per your customer or based on your requirement. What do you do? So what you do is you go here to the dashboard and move that call to action to disabled modules. All right, just drag and drop it here. Okay, and that would take care of everything. All right, just save it and you'll see on the front end that the call to action is not there. Okay, so as you can see, we just disabled it. All right, now let's say what we'll do is we'll move the achievement sections in there. As you can see, you've got the achievement sections in here, right? So let me remove that to here and bring the call to action section after services. All right, and refresh it and show you how it works. Okay, so we expect the achievements to not be there and the call to action should be there. Did that happen? Did we save it? Okay, so here you go. So as you can see, now we do not have the achievement section. Rather, what we have is after our services, we have got this call to action. Okay, so this section here is all about what you want and what you don't in the front end. All right, if there is a module that you do not want to be there in the front end, all you have to do is drag and drop it to disable modules and you're good to go. Okay, now let's change a few things here. If you come here, you'll see your logo, number, and the email address. All right. So if you want to change any of that, what you have to do is you have to go to the top header section and change it here. For the logo, if you are linking to an image which is online, you just can copy and paste it here and it will be taken care of. If you want to upload it from your website, if you want to upload it from your system, you just click on upload and then select the files that you want and use it as a logo, right, to be uploaded to your theme. Okay, now contact info. This is where the contact info is. As you can see, it's 0123456789. That's the number that you have here, 0123456789. Let's say we want to change this particular number. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this here. So the number, let's say we want is 011 and 111 and 1111. All right, so that's what we want. So let's save it. All right, and then we will check over there in the front end whether that's reflected or not. All right, so you can see this is reflected here. So that's how it works. It's pretty intuitive. As you can see, you just go about changing the changing the text, and rest of the things are taken care of. Okay, similarly, you can change the email address here. The banner section is where this is basically the banner section. Let me show you this. This is the banner section, and this is what you see when you come here. This is where you can insert the image or upload it. If you want to switch on the overlay, there will be the overlay. If you want to switch it off, you can just turn it off here. The title for electric services, call this. This is where this is basically the content that you have here, and it's like, you have a visual dashboard. You can edit it. This is the shortcode form that you have, and this will take care of the opt-in form over there, and the message form that you have on the banner. Similarly, most of the sections are pretty much self-explanatory. They can be easily understood and updated. All right, so that covers most of the things. The only other thing I would like to talk to you about here is the Google Map section, right? Locator settings. Now, when you install it, you will not see this, right? You are not going to see this because this is my API key, and you should not be having access to this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this from the themes that are delivered to you. So all you have to do is bring your the Google Map API that you have, insert it here, and retain the zoom to 10. Insert the latitude and longitude of the location where you are, and either retain this or remove this depending on your requirement, and you're good to go. So that's about it. I think that covers the simple dashboard that we have here for the home section, right? For the main front end part. Typography is overarching control over the fonts that are used within the theme. All right, just remember that you can actually change the font and the size of it right here in this dashboard, right? But that will be very localized. Okay, if you want to change a global font, or you want to change the font associated with the theme in totality, then this is where you should be doing that. You can change it here. You can just switch it on and decide the font you want, and just go for your preferences. Okay, but in this case, I just switch it off because I really don't need it. It's not important, because everything that I have got in the theme itself is acceptable to me and good to go. All right, so that's about it, and I think that covers the demonstration of the theme's dashboard. All right, I'm sure you understand how simple it is, and in case you need any support, please feel free to reach out to me and my team and the community that we have on Facebook, so that we can help you get going. All right. With that said, I would like to thank you so much for taking time out to check this video out, and investing in local landing pages profits really. All right. Thank you so much.